Right.
one girl and two boys. And you have been very nice and kind. They got their offer letters last month. In fact, they were so happy. They called me up. They said they wanted to thank me. I said, no, you don't have to thank me. Thank Rekha ji. She was the person who really helped you to, crack the various processes that were there. So Rekha ji, I would request you to please counsel Shibin and Shiv Pratap, so we are able to also help in the same way. And I'll be very happy in case this can happen. Thank you.
Thank you, Manchendra ji. And I'm really thankful to you for your kind words and kind memories as well. So
Thank you,
yes,
Rekha ji.
if the youngster is deserving, then we are always there to help them out. So very good afternoon to you, Shibim and Shiv. How are you, Vijay? Both of you?
Yeah, we are good. How are you?
I'm great. I'm great, and I really apologize. There is some network issues at the place where I am talking from, but the voice will be there. I can't put my video on, so guys, please be attentive. And in case there is any problem in the voice, please do make us understand. Okay, we'll take care of that. So it's important. The communication needs to be interactive from both the ends, and it's very important. Yes, the process is very, very much concrete and towards certainty, provided we are really understand your profile, and this is something important. The entire panel is listening to the details what will be shared through you guys. So please write down, both of you, and always remember you're talking to the senior most panel with people with more than 30 years of experience in education industry. Whether it is me, my guys, no fake commitments, only based on your profiles. So guys, the first header will be your academic credentials. Please write on, both of you. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you
Okay.
are.
So, okay, perfectly okay. So the first thing will be your academic credentials. When I say academic, it needs to be the detail about your academic journey that starts with your 10th, 12th, and your graduation. And the specific fields will be year of passing, number one. Number two, name of the institution and state from where you have passed. Number three, your scores. And number four, your board. Then curricular activities and achievements. This is going to be something which you can prove through certificates. So it can be any caliber of yours. Either it's debate, music, dance, sports, or good projects or good internships. Coming to the third header, it is about your family and siblings. And last but not the least, the fourth header is about your aspirations. So 2 years down the line, what exactly is your focus and what you really look up to achieve in your life? So once we understand all the important fields, we are really going to help you with great options. So I think I'll be starting with alphabetically. If I go, it will be Shibim. So Mr. Joy, it will be you. So please let the panel understand.
Yeah, sure. So, talking about my academics, I passed my 10th in.
That 2014, it is your 10th, and then 12th, 2016, 17. And your
17,
BBA is 2017-20, right?
yes, ma'am.
BBA is all clear, my dear, no backlog?
No, ma'am, no, ma'am. Ma'am, BBA, my running percentage is, ma'am, 64% running percent. And ma'am, my last semester, 6 semester exams have not been yet conducted.
Okay, so you have really make up your like graduation scores, huh? That is good.
Yes,
And see, Shiv, I don't go by the academic scores of any candidate, because I know those who are average or maybe below average, trust me, they are very successful in life. So, Mr. Joy, it is not about, not appreciating the academic excellence, but students, those who are not utilizing their entire energy towards academics, they are always having the potential energy, and they utilize to the utmost, I'll say, optimization for success in their life. So in this regard, Shiv, when you share that you have got in CAT 33 percentile and MAT 38, so dear, we are not going to consider CAT or MAT percentile. It's pretty low, I'll say. And what is important when you guys say without preparation? So my humble advice to you is, Shiv, now because I've spent 30 years in education, और आप लोगों की age क्या होगी? 20, 21, 22. Shiv, what is your age?
ma'am, 22.
And Mr. Joy, yours?
It's 21.
21. So ultimately, you can think that we are having experience more than your age. So when I see somebody saying that I got this without preparation, so my humble advice is, who stopped you to prepare? You got my point, Shiv?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is important because see, ultimately now we'll be helping you out, no doubt, because you have been recommended through one of the finest counselor, Mr. Ayush. But important is whenever you're facing some challenge in life, as far as education is concerned, always go with preparation. That is the utmost requirement. Okay, Shiv?
Yes.
रीजन हम आपको रिकमेंड कर देते हैं और आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल जाती हैं और आप पैनल को फेस भी कर रहे हैं, लेकिन वो 10 मिनट आप वो नहीं बोलते जो आपको बोलना चाहिए. सो यू विल फेस रिजेक्शन, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
And then if you say that, ma'am, I faced the panel because I was not prepared for it. So do you think it's justified? You lose the opportunity, my dear. Right?
Yes.
So now I'll be very genuine and as far as your scores are concerned, and I need to understand from both of you. Coming to you, Joy, first. Have you applied in any MBA program till now?
So I did apply for GEM Goa.
From
Like,
James?
sorry,
You have applied in?
I did apply. I completed my form for GEM Goa Institute of Management.
Okay.
Okay, because I was having ZAT percentile of 87. But
Right.
as I was in Mumbai for my job purpose and my interview was in Indore, so that was the reason I wasn't able to make out for the interview. So that is when I dropped the plan for the MBA also. But uh, yeah, realizing that it would be better for me that if I go for MBA first, because I want to be in the HR field, and HR field is something which you cannot get into by a bachelor of technology. So I reconsidered that.
Okay. And Shiv, have you applied in any of the institutions and got acceptance or rejection?
Yes, ma'am. I applied only for ma'am one college university, ma'am. MIT University, Noida, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. After that, I have not filled any of the form of any college.
So, my dear, have you got acceptance from University, Amity
Yes, ma'am.
University, Noida?
Yes, ma'am. I have got my offer admission letter, and they asked me for to fill fees, first installment of fees.
Okay. And what is the MBA fees in Amity, Noida for complete 2 years?
Ma'am, they are asking that first year of your masters will be here, and second year of your MBA will be in UK. That will be affiliated to ma'am University of.
Okay. So, what is important, Shiv? Uh, okay, fine. See, why I'm asking you, because I remember 2, 3 days back we invested some good time, and finally the youngster says, "Ma'am, I've applied in all these and I've got rejection." So ultimately, we don't appreciate any rejected case. Are you getting me, Mr. Joy and Mr. Shiv?
Yes, ma'am.
So we need to be very clear at the first onset. And Mr. Joy, I need to ask you, why Goa for your MBA? Enjoyment and
Uh,
education or some other focus?
Goa Institute of Management is one of the best institutes.
Okay, perfectly okay. So what
Yeah.
is important here? See, when we are when we are thinking of some institutions, right? So it is a general scenario. Maybe we are not aware of some developments. So, Mr. Joyner, you are in Mumbai with your job, you said. So, if you get a good MBA college in Mumbai, so I think that will be your preference, right?
Yeah. I'm
Okay.
preferring Mumbai and Pune.
Mumbai and Pune, perfectly okay. So, in this regard, definitely I'll be sharing some good colleges with you. So, what is important before we go towards this? Now, just last question, Mr. Joy. You have missed your admission in MBA this year, right?
Yeah, the interview I missed it.
Yeah, interview you missed it. So ultimately, you're not registered with the college, I'll say. So
No, I'm
ultimately,
not.
what is your plan B?
See, I'm already working. I'm a full-time worker in the marketing industry of EdTech. I was with
Right.
Jaro Education and I'm as of now with Upgrad. So I do have a backup plan, but
Okay.
I'm a bit more, as I told you, this is I'm into the marketing field as of now, but I'm more into HR. So
Okay.
I
Perfect.
really want to pursue my career in HR rather than marketing. But as a backup, I surely have marketing field, and yeah, if not this time, I'll definitely go for it in the next year.
Okay, so Mr. Joy, I want to ask you, you are a qualified BTech engineer, right?
Yeah, right.
So, as a science student, throughout my academic journey, I'll say, I have a feeling that people with like science background and BTech backgrounds, they are more logical, more strong on hardworking component, more sincere, I'll say, because that is the drilling you go through when you crack 48 subjects in 4 good years, right?
That is true.
So now, Mr. Joy, any good reason for choosing MBA HR? Because once we are counseling you, we have to tell you what is really going to be best for you guys. Reason, whenever I see some